We're having a consultative meeting as part of our preparation for the examination. Today's meeting was mainly meeting with our principals and heads of schools, whom, as you are aware, are the people who run the examinations actually. These are the people where our students are. They have given us the assurance, and I can tell you today, with their commitment, we are assured that we shall deliver on a clean examination, because these are the people that will ensure this is done. We shall not need all the security teams, and we don't need everybody else once they have given us a commitment that it is in the best interest of all of us to deliver a clean exam for our children.
For example, there are plans to impersonate people in the exams, and we are closely watching what they want to do. And don't dare or push us, because if you want us to show you what we have, you will be shocked. We have also encouraged the security agencies to be free to go and just say hello to the school heads and check whether the security issues in the schools are proper. So the message out there is that the exams are going to be credible, and that we hope by the grace of God this year we shall not cancel examinations in any school or for any child.